Today we're going to talk trimming toenails. So my name is Dr. Meier from Third Coast Foot and Ankle. Here at our podiatry office, we see a lot of toenails, we see a lot of feet, and we get asked all the time, how do I trim my toenails? Which it seems like a pretty easy question, but it can be a little complicated. So the moral of the story when we're talking about toenails is that we don't want to dig down underneath the skin. And so if you are poking and if it's painful when you're trimming your toenails, there's something not right going on. And it's okay to seek medical help for that. We don't necessarily promote pedicures to treat foot pain or nail pain because they can be sources of infection and things like that. And so if you're getting pedicures to manage your pain, you probably need to come in and have that treated medically so you can have long-term results and decrease your risk of any complications. Now, the tool that you use can also be really helpful. So we all know the traditional big toenail cutters that are just basically a fingernail cutter but bigger. In the office we use nail cutters that look like this, and so some people will use scissors for example. I do find that using an instrument like this is easier to get a nice straight cut. It doesn't necessarily have like these natural curves in it like a lot of other nail trimmers have, and you can simply just kind of work your way across each nail versus trying to chomp the whole nail at one time. And so that's essentially my technique, is starting in the corner and then working yourself all the way around, making small bites to help prevent you from grabbing your skin or injuring yourself. But most importantly, it's the digging part, so if you're digging, you're going in a no zone, and that usually leads to problems. There are all sorts of theatrics people do to manage ingrown toenails with dental floss and cotton balls, and I'm not going to go into details because I do not condone these practices because they can be a source of infection and things like that. So if you're somebody who on a routine basis has some bathroom surgery going on, it is time. Come on in. We do a lot of ingrown toenails, and it is amazing how quickly you feel better and the pain is gone. So we're welcome to treat your toenails.